pancakes in the new Ninja FOODI Griddle Grill. Oh, that was weird. Alrighty, so splatter screen is in, bottom plate is in, and we're going to put the griddle plate in. So we're going to turn it on. We're going to select barbecue griddle, temp, drop it down to 375, hit start. It's going to preheat. We are using, yeah, we're going to follow the directions on the back. Maybe, if we can get this out of here. Little bit. Alright, I'm having pancake issues here. Oh, that's about it. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, shit. Whoops. Alright. Looks good. Oh, I forgot to read the directions. So on the back of the box it says we have 2 cups and we're going to add 1 1/3 cups of water. Go ahead and add it. Whisk. Do not overmix. Boom. Yeah. So we didn't want to overmix it. That's it right there. And we're going to let this sit for a few minutes. It's going to have to sit anyway because we need to preheat. Oh, and guys, gals, everybody, get some pure maple syrup. So good. I'm going to clean this up. Alright, so we're just going to put some butter in here. You can use spray or whatever. I'm just using some butter. And make sure you use a silicone like I just hit there. Just to make sure the butter's all over this. Let it heat up just for a bit. Yeah, we're going for more butter. Sorry, you guys didn't see that. And I'm going to let it cook for like a couple minutes, and then we're going to flip these pancakes. It's been about a minute. Let's check on it. Holy moly, these things are poofing up. I just want to check the bottoms. We're going to let it go just a bit more. These are like super, super thick pancakes. Wowzers. That's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and flip these pancakes. Whoa. These are like super, super thick. Gorgeous. These are gorgeous. Alright, let's check these guys out. Oh my goodness. These pancakes are beautiful. Let me show you the backside. Look at that. And they cook in a couple minutes. Like 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. And I'm going to flip them just so I can see the inside so I can show you guys. Look at that. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Ow. These pancakes are done. So I'm going to put them over on my plate over here. We're going to add some more butter because we are making a stack. All right, we have a serious, I got 2 cameras. I'm playing with a new camera, so yeah. I got 2 cameras here, and yeah, we're going to play with these. No, we're going to taste test these pancakes. This is a stack like you wouldn't believe. So let's see if we can do this all the way down. Holy mackerel. I'd like to see somebody eat all these. Look at that. Let's go close up to this camera and close up to that camera. And we're not focusing because, yeah, we'll leave it at that. Let's take a bite. These are good. Super good. Wow. Thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm like out of practice and weird.